Ultimea Apollo S70 Ultra Soundbar. Main features are: Ultimea Apollo S70 Ultra is an ultra-budget modular 7.1-channel virtual surround soundbar system designed for budget-conscious home theaters and gaming setups. Retailing between $190 to $250 USD, it stands out by combining a 3-in-1 detachable chassis with interactive RGB atmosphere lighting. Modular detachable design. The main soundbar features a 3-in-1 split configuration. It can be joined together horizontally as a traditional soundbar or separated vertically into two standalone tower speakers flanked by an independent center channel for enhanced dialogue clarity. Audio hardware delivers a 410-watt peak power output. The configuration includes the main multi-driver soundbar unit, two rear satellite surround speakers for spatial depth, and a dedicated 6.5-inch subwoofer equipped with Bass MX technology for deep low-end resonance. Atmosphere RGB lighting. Both the main soundbar segments and the rear surround speakers feature built-in ambient RGB light zones. It supports 6 preset dynamic scene modes and millions of colors, though the lights do not reactive sync directly with screen color data. Smart App Ecosystem, compatible with the official Ultimea mobile app. It provides a 10-band graphic equalizer alongside a massive matrix of 121 expert EQ presets grouped by genre and media type: movie, music, game, night. Robust connectivity. Built with Bluetooth 5.3 for stable wireless streaming up to 15 meters. Physical inputs include HDMI TV ARC with CEC synchronization, digital optical, USB playback, and a 3.5mm aux port.